Hello guys, this is Satyam and today I'm going to tell you all about Visual Studio Code Editor. So guys, let's begin. So first time, if you open this code editor, then you can see this interface. So click this. Now click here. So click on open folder, or if you can't see this option, then click here on file. Now click on open folder. Now choose a location for your code. Then now you can see this interface. So click here. So from here you can choose a code. So I want to edit HTML. So type here index.html. Now click on enter. Now you can edit here HTML. So now I want to edit CSS. So click here again. Now click on style.css. So guys, from like this you can choose a code. So here you can see many options. From here you can search a code, then you can replace it. So from here you can use extension. You can use you can find many extensions you can install, like server, PTR. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you are new here, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website www.techtheartic.blogspot.com, and don't forget to visit my another website www.tubetech.blogspot.com, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.